We are North Americans, and for those of you who still think we're from England, we're not, no. We've been on planes and on trains till we think we might die. Far from North America, where the buildings are old, and you might have lots of minds. I hate the feeling when you're looking at me that way, 'cause we're North Americans, but if we act all shy, it'll make it okay, it makes it go away. Oh, I don't know, oh, where to begin, when we're North American, but in the end make the same mistakes all over again. Come on, North America! We are North America! We're from North America! We are North America! We are but New York's the only place for keeping them off the street. Boo, boo. Now, we can't have parties like in Spain where they go all night. Shut down in North America. Or like Berlin where they go another night. Alright! You see, I love this place that I've grown to know. Alright, North America. And yeah, I know you wouldn't touch us with a 10-foot pole. 'Cause we're North America. We are North America. We are North America. We are North Cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo. Cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar
Five and dime.
Cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo. Cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo.
On the crime side, the New York Times side. Staying alive was no job at second hands. Moms bounced on old men, so that we moved to Shaolin land. A young youth, and rocking the go-to. No goose, only way I begin to G.O. was drug loot. And let's start it like this, son. Rolling with this one and that one. Pulling out cats for fun, but it was just a dream for the team. It was a fiend. Started smoking moves at 16 and running up in gate figured out I went the full rap. So I got with a sick tight click and went all out. Catching keys from cross seas, going in MPVs every week. We made 40 G's. Young brothers respect mine and ain't gonna take nothing. Wow, from the gate now.
Cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo. Cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo. Cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo. Cash rules everything around me. Green, get the money. Dollar bill, yo.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a feeling that never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rapping like Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock until my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on Rolling Stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping you? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight 'cause I'm on tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Sports center, the opposite of a winner. Whether when I used to eat sardines for dinner. East of Ron G, Brucey B, Kick a Play. Don't like the flex, love, fuck, start ski. I'm blowing up like I thought I would. All the trips, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Can't see him coming down my eyes, so I gotta make the song cry. Can't see him coming down my eyes, so I gotta make the song cry.
Your motherfucking hand. All the girls pass the weed to your motherfucking man. Now I ain't never tell you to put down your hand. And if you're losing your high, then smoke again. My flow is in the pocket like Wallace. I got the bounce like hydraulics. They can't call it. I got the swirl like alcohol. My freshman year, I was going through hella problems till I built up the nerve to drop my ass about a call. My teacher said I was a loser. I told her, why don't you kill me? I give a fuck if you feel me. I'm gonna follow my heart. And if you follow the charge or the plaques or the stacks, you gotta guess who's back. You see, I'm so shy that you thought it was bashful, but this fastest flow will bash your skull. And I will touch your girl like past the drone. And I don't usually smoke, but past the drone. And I won't give you that money that you asking for. Why you think me and Dane cool? We assholes. That's why we hear your music getting fast forward. Cause we don't wanna hear that weak shit no more. Throw your motherfucking hands. Get 'em high. All the girls pass the weed to your motherfucking man. Get 'em high. Now I ain't never tell you to put down your hands. Keep 'em high. And if you're losing your high, then smoke again. Keep 'em high.
This album is dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is
5 and a dime. 5 and a dime. 5 and a dime. 5 and a dime.
Fight for color, motherfucker.
I'm done.
You're out of fuel.
I think so. There's a bit there, but like the last fucking 5 or so litres isn't usable. But just conked out. I'll be able to get back, I reckon. Should have bought a Mercury.